Welcome to the exam sale video on Cisco Enterprise Network Unified Access Essentials. This video will take you through the exam syllabus, highlighting the key domains, topics, and their respective weights. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what to expect from the exam and how to prepare for it. The Cisco Enterprise Network Unified Access Essentials exam is divided into 5 domains, each carrying a different weight. The domains are Wireless Solutions, carrying 24% of the total weight; Cisco Identity Services Engine, carrying 24% of the total weight; Wired Solutions, carrying 22% of the total weight; Cisco Unified Access Solutions, carrying 18% of the total weight; and Cisco Prime Infrastructure, carrying 12% of the total weight. The Wireless Solutions domain, carrying 24% of the total weight, focuses on the implementation and design of Cisco converged and centralized wireless architectures using 802.11 AC technology. This domain is further divided into topics such as Cisco wireless infrastructure and deployment, which includes converged access versus centralized access architectures, Cisco 5760 wireless LAN controller capabilities, and more. The Cisco Identity Services Engine domain, carrying 24% of the total weight, focuses on configuring security policies, device profiling, and posture assessment to ensure secure network access. This domain is further divided into topics such as Cisco ISE architecture and policy enforcement, which includes ISE node personas, PAN, MNT, and PSN deployment, device profiling and classification techniques, and more. The Wired Solutions domain, carrying 22% of the total weight, focuses on next-generation Catalyst switch families, hardware capabilities, and stacking technologies. This domain is further divided into topics such as Cisco Wired Catalyst infrastructure, which includes Catalyst 3850 and 3650 hardware architecture, StackWise 480 and Stack Power redundancy technologies, and more. The Cisco Unified Access Solutions domain, carrying 18% of the total weight, focuses on the value proposition and components of the Cisco Unified Access Framework. This domain is further divided into topics such as Cisco Unified Access Solutions Framework, which includes One Network, Unified Wired and Wireless Infrastructure, One Policy, Centralized Management through ISE, and more. The Cisco Prime Infrastructure domain, carrying 12% of the total weight, focuses on managing the network life cycle, monitoring performance, and troubleshooting through a single pane of glass. This domain is further divided into topics such as Cisco Prime Infrastructure Lifecycle Management, which includes lifecycle management, design, deploy, and operate, device discovery and inventory management, and more. Now that you've gone through the exam syllabus, it's essential to remember that each domain carries a different weight, and some topics might be more critical than others. By understanding the exam format and content, you'll be able to focus your preparation efforts on the areas that matter most.